Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers for the last decade, the Rhombus Single 25 grit concrete grinding plate. Now this tool right here, it's a medium bond. It's definitely, I could tell you, if we use it versus a competing product in the same, 25 grit and medium bond, it's going to outperform. It's literally going to outperform. On the cost per square foot, it's lower. On the efficiency, you can see it being effective. It holds a higher concentration versus the norm on diamond content. So you see between the grains, the microns, you're going to see them closer together and more frequent. So definitely a heavier concentration. And versus the regular rectangle segments, this one is 30% larger in size. So the surface area is larger. So you get more diamond content, more diamond, and a long life. So your cost per square foot normally is around 2 cents a square foot. It can be used wet and or dry. This tool will definitely level off a floor, get rid of any type of contaminants to the surface, and definitely clean it up. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to highlight the Pro 311, a standout model in the Pulse Pack lineup. Known for its exceptional performance in dust removal with an airflow of 311 CFM and a HEPA filtration of 99.97%. In the construction industry, compliance with OSHA regulations is crucial, especially when it comes to airborne dust. The Pro 311 is a game changer in this regard. Its powerful suction and filtration capabilities effectively capture and contain dust from concrete, drywall, and other materials, ensuring a safer, cleaner work environment. The Pro 311 is not just about compliance, it's about efficiency and durability. Its robust design and self-cleaning technology means less downtime, more productivity. Now, whether you're dealing with hand tools or larger equipment, the Pro 311 delivers unmatched performance. For a limited time, we're offering the Pro 311 with a 20-gallon tank at a special price at $37.95, down from $4,095. Don't miss this opportunity. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the reliable carbide scrapers. Now these are designed with care. This tool stands ready for some serious coating and adhesive removal. It excels where others falter, especially with those thick layered coatings that can be a real challenge. Now, you know the ones that are just like very thick milled, hard, and nothing else is removing it? Now, if it's on wet or dry surfaces, the carbide scraper offers adaptability and efficiency performance. Now, unique to our design, it's compatible grinders that both have clockwise and counterclockwise rotating plates. As one of the sides of the tungsten carbide blade wears, simply rotate to a fresh edge. Now, in world of concrete coating removal where no jobs are the same, this scraper is a trusted ally. We've aimed for longevity with the ability to replace and rotate the blades. We keep your work going and costs low. A blend of experience and dedication, this tool is crafted for the unique challenges of the industry. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Since the 1980s, we've been a beacon of quality and innovation in the industry. Born and bred in the land of 10,000 lakes, our roots run deep. I personally jumped into this journey back in 2004 when I was just 19 years old. Through the years, we've just not sold products, but I've become a part of countless success stories. Now, our showroom in Minnesota stands as a testament to our commitment. Every person who walks through our doors experiences that genuine Minnesota nice. It's not just about the sale, it's about the relationship, the guidance after, and ensuring every project shines. As pioneers in the market with our parent company Floors Northwest guiding us, we've always been a step ahead, introducing game changers and setting benchmarks. Our latest catalog, it's a culmination of our legacy, our vision, and our promise to you. So if you're looking to partner with folks who truly care and want to see your projects reach their full potential, message us now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the half bar 16 grit medium bond grinding plate. So a half bar is basically these two 20 millimeter by 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter segments, and it has a heavy concentration of a true diamond. It's 16 grit. It's not synthetic. They stay in the cavity longer, offering you actually great efficiency per hour, and you shouldn't have them roll over, meaning glaze, if you use it for the appropriate concrete. So it's great on heavy machines if you really want to do some heavy stock removal and level off the concrete, getting rid of any like contamination and so on to the floor or the surface. Or you could use on lightweight machines and just have a machine being like worthwhile and grinding instead of giving it so much surface area and just having it ride the surface. Your cost per square foot at $11.88 each for a true 16 grit. It's at probably 2 cents a square foot. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives at Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the Prepmaster. This is so you can retrofit your drive plates, take any diamond tools that make your grinder better. So if, right now, like let's say for the Prepmaster, they're offering you diamonds that has too much surface area. And maybe you want a little bit more point pressure so you can do a little bit more efficient stock removal, or just a removal of a coating faster or whatnot. With the RF magnetic series, you're not married to any company's tooling. So if they're on a proprietary style diamond tooling, you can buy diamond tooling from anybody. If there's a guy in your backyard who has done the research and development to develop diamonds that are better for the concrete in your backyard, well, then you can go and deal with them and possibly save a lot of money by the end of the year, maybe north of 5%, 10%. That's a lot of money, and it adds up. And this way you could also, you just see your production rates just go up per hour. For more information, message me now.